Here I've got MyPhone Pocket, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to keypad, and let's start with the first code, which is *##, *4636 ###. And now we are in testing mode. Here you can read phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi details. Let me start with phone info. And as you can see here, you've got email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, data network type. You can also perform a ping test here. To do it, just tap on run ping test, and here you've got the answer. So let me go back. Then you've got user statistics. So if you would like to check your applications, for example, their usage time or last time used, it's the perfect spot. Here you've got last time used, and over here usage time. And this is it. Let me go back. And under Wi-Fi information, you can read Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and status of your Wi-Fi. So let me show you Wi-Fi APA. Here you can locate disable network, disconnect, enable, configured networks, and also detailed connection info. Under Wi-Fi configuration, you can check all configured networks, and then under Wi-Fi status, just refresh it. You can check the current status of your network. You can also perform a ping test here. Just click on run ping test, and that's it. So let me go back. And it's time for the second code, and it's *##, *225, #*#. And this is the calendar info. So here you will find all the important dates, celebrations, any anniversaries that you have in your Google Calendar in your internal storage. From now on, you will not be surprised by any events, so you can smoothly enter this code and check all the upcoming events. Let me go back. Another code is *##, *426, #*#. And now we are in Google Play Services, which is actually diagnostic mode. So here you can check events and also status. If you would like to activate advanced view, just tap on the more icon, mark advanced view, and as you can see now, you've got some further details here. So let's go back. And the last code, the shortest one but super useful, it's *#, *06. And this one will provide you with both email numbers assigned to your MyPhone Pocket. So if you need to check those unique numbers, smoothly enter this 5-digit long code and check the email number. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.